Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable voice isolation for Instagram and Snapchat on iPhone. So as you could have already guessed, in order to enable this feature, you're gonna have to swipe down the control center during the call and then tap on your phone icon at the top of your screen and select voice isolation. And that's basically how you enable this feature, and it works both for Instagram and Snapchat calls and also the regular calls too. Now this feature is available for iPhones starting with iOS 16.4, and it just makes your voice clear in apps like Instagram, Snapchat, and phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.